Okay, so hello everyone. So in this video, actually, we're gonna say about something called linear search. Okay, let's see what that is. Just give me a second. I'll explain that to you. Great. Linear search basically means that we have a list of elements. Okay, let's say I have something called as 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. I want to search. Does this array contains 50? I'm like, okay, I'll first come check. I'm like, see what I'm checking with. I'm checking with 50. I'm like, hey, is this a of I? That means a of 0 equal to 50? No. Move to this. Hey, is this a of 1 equal to 50? No. Is this a of 3? This is obviously we know this is a of 0, this is a of 1, right? And this is a of 2, and so on. So is this a of 2 equal to my 50? No. Come and check here. Obviously, we're gonna do this in a loop, okay? This checking part. First a of I, then a of I plus 1, that means a of 0, then a of 1, a of 2, and so on. I'm like, hey, a of 4, a of 3, is it equal to my a of the value I'm searching for? It will like, no. It will be like, okay, I'll go on the last elements. Is it equal? Yes, it is equal. That's great. Wherever it is equal to, you return me the index. You return me the index. What is this index? Index is 4, right? Because the index of this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. You return me the index of 4. Return. Again, that means we're going to use a function. Like, obviously, you can even do it in the loop also, in the main function, but we'll do it using a function, okay? So we will be returning this value. Let's suppose we want to search 10. Hey, 10 is there. Yes, 10 is exactly present here. Where is it present? At index 0. So just return 0. Don't do anything. I don't have to go and search here, right? I got my element. I'm searching for 80. Hey, is it 80? No. Is this 80? No. Is this 80? No. Is this 80? No. Is this 80? No. That means I'm out of my n value. I did not find the index. That what I should return minus 1. Minus 1 means that means there is no such element that is equal to 80 which is present in my array. Making sense? That the user has given me, there is no such element. Okay, so let's do this. How we'll do this? Let's see. Okay, let's understand and let's do it. Let's just get into code. Okay, somehow you understood the idea. We actually want to search a value, okay, from our array. If that value is there, then I'm going to return the index of that specific value. Else, in case if it is not present, then I'll return minus 1. Okay, so let's do that. Let's see how we are going to do that. Okay, so come here. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Okay, we'll just write later. Let's just do this. Okay, I'll just clear this up. Okay. Okay. So let's say I am given this array as a r. Okay. Who's we know this, right? Just take a constant value. Take n from the user. Tell him to enter the value. Enter n. Okay. He entered the value. Take the input till n. Okay. And I will do 0. I less than n. I, or rather, let's do something. Oh, okay. After this, we'll do, okay. I plus plus. Okay, after here I'll get all the elements. Okay, a of r of I, right? Because this time my name of the array is arr, right? Great. So till here I got the element, and whatever elements I've given, I want to search. Here is the user gave me some elements. Is this present in that? So let me take it as x. Is this 30 present out there? Okay, if it's present, return the index. So I'm like, okay, what you want to search? You want to search for 30? Then let's go here, linear search. We'll create this function right now. Okay, I'm like, okay, take the array, take the value, and go and search is it present or not. I'm like, okay, as you have given me, I'll go and create this function. See, it's gonna return an integer, right? It will return an integer. So let's take the integer out here. Int index, okay, and see out the value of index. Okay, if index will come out to be -1, that means the element is not present. If it is something, then we will come to know about which index it is talking about. Okay, so let's make the function now. The function is going to return an integer. Its name is linear search. It is taking an array, right? It is also, what is it taking? It's taking a value x. Okay, come here. Now what are you supposed to do? I'm like, hey, since you have already come inside of it, you go to all of the elements. Okay, I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and sorry, I have to pass even the value of n, because obviously we can't get the excess of n, right? I've already shown you that, right? So let's pass the value of n as well. And where is it? Wherever is the function? It's here. So let's pass even n. Okay, so even n is getting here, we are getting n as well. Okay, so I'll be like, okay, see, if whatever is kept at I, okay, whatever is the value, if that value is equal to my x, okay, if it's equal to my x, return what I need to return. I need to return I. Why I? Because I will tell me the index, right? A of 0, if in case a of 0, example, let's say if x is 10 and a of 0 contains 10, that means I need to return 0, right? Because I is the value of 0 index, and I need to return the value of I because this is the index, right? Okay, done. Makes sense. I will check all the values. See, in case if any of them is equal, then this will return me the index. If in case the loop is over, okay, that means obviously it did not find the value. I'm like, okay, since you did not find the value, no problem. I will say the user that, hey, I did not find anything, so just return -1. Making sense? We'll do it right on this one. I think it's simple. I think you can understand this, right? So let's just check it out. It's working or not. Okay, I hope everything is correct. Index linear search x, we're getting these values. Okay, I think it's fine. Let's just run it. Let's run it for, okay, oh, we need 30, right? Okay, I'll give 30 at 4th index. Okay, I mean like 3rd index. So let me just, okay, 1 2 3 and then 30. Okay, and then 5. Okay, that means my, where is it stored? It is stored at 3rd index, right? So I should get index as 3. That means it's present. Okay, if in case it's not present, then let's say the values that I'm entering is 1 2 3 4 and 5. That means it's not present, so it should give me -1. Index is -1. That means I did not find, I searched the whole array, but I did not find the value. Okay, making sense? Want to do that right on? Obviously I know you would be able to do it, but that's just for your sake. Let's just do it. This array is gonna contain what values right now? 1 2 3 4 and 5, right? I have entered here from here, and the indexes are 0 1 2 3 and 4. I went, okay, and my x is containing 30, right? Because I'm getting from x. Okay, I'm like, hey, ARR of 0 is equal to my 30. No, not equal. I plus plus, go on the next. Is this equal to 30? No. Then I plus plus, go on the next. Is this equal to 30? No. Go on the next. Okay, is this equal to 30? No. I can increase the value of I plus plus. Is this equal, whatever value a of r I means the value that I have kept inside of it, right? 5 is equal to 30. No. Make I plus plus. I value got existed by is greater than n. That means it's greater than n. That means I did not find it. That means I have traveled the whole array. I did not find the index. Return -1. That means I did not find the index. Okay, I hope this makes sense. This made sense, right? How we're doing the tracing. If in case one of them was 30, let's say this was 30, so it will come till this value. It'll be like, okay, hey, ARR of 0, is it equal to 30? No. Then go to ARR of 1. Is this equal to 30? No. Then go to ARR of 3. Is this equal to 30? Yes, this is equal to 30. So ARR of 3, right? So return the value of 3. Okay, want to take this example also. Just let's quickly take this example. 1 2 30 4 5. Okay, so I should get sorry 2. I should get 2. Okay, because obviously this is 2, right? I didn't, where is it? This is a of 0, a of 1, and this is stored at a of error of 2, right? So we should get 2. Okay, let's see whether we're gonna get 2 or not. So let's try it again. Okay, error of 2, right? So let's give value as 5 values as 1 2 30 4 5. So I should get index as 2. Okay, I hope it's clear. Okay, so see you guys in the next video. Thank you.